JLPT in 5 Grammar Explanation Lesson 18. Verb Dictionary Form. This form is the basic form of a verb. Verbs are given in this form in the dictionary, hence the name. How to make the dictionary form is given below. Group 1. In the verbs of this group, the last sound of the must form is always in the E line. Replace it with the sound in the U line to make the dictionary form. Example, kikimas, kiko, nomimas, nomo. Group 2. Attach root to the must form. Example, tabimas, tabiro, okimas, okiro. Group 3. Shimas becomes suru. Kimas becomes kuru. Nibang. Noun ga dikimas, verb dictionary form, koto ga dikimas. This expresses ability or possibility. A noun and verb dictionary form kuto before ga indicate the content of ability or possibility. Noun. Nouns placed before ga are mostly nouns which express actions such as driving a car, shopping, skiing, dancing, etc. Nouns such as nihongo, which is associated with the action hanasu, or piano, which is associated with the action hiko, can also be used here. Examples: Mira-san wa nihongo ga dekimasu. Mr. Miller can speak Japanese. Yoki ga takusan furimashita kara kotoshi wa ski ga dekimasu. It snowed a lot, so we can ski this year. Verb. When a verb is used to describe ability or possibility, koto should be attached to the dictionary form of the verb to make it a nominalized phrase, and then ga dekimasu is put after that. Examples: Mira-san wa kanji o yumo koto ga dekimasu. Mr. Miller can read kanji. Kado de harau koto ga dekimasu. You can pay by credit card. Sangbang. Watashi no shomi wa nan desu. Verb dictionary form, koto desu. This pattern is used to express one's hobby. As shown in the examples below, verb dictionary form koto can express the content of hobbies more concretely than the noun alone can do. Examples: Watashi no shomi wa ongako desu. My hobby is music. Watashi no shomi wa ongaku o kiku koto desu. My hobby is listening to music. Verb. Pattern verb 1 dictionary form plus maene verb 2 indicates that the action of verb 2 occurs before the action of verb 1. The verb 1 is always in the dictionary form, regardless of the tense of verb 2. Examples: Nihon e koro maine Nihongo o benkyou shimashita. I studied Japanese before I came to Japan. Nero maine hon o yomimasu. I read a book before I go to bed. Noun. Pattern. Noun no maine verb 2. Explanation. When maine follows a noun, the particle no is used. Nouns before maine are those which imply actions or actions themselves. Examples: Shukuji no maine te o araimasu. I wash my hands before eating. Quantifier period. Pattern. Quantifier period maine verb 2. Quantifier period maine verb 2. Explanation. When maine comes after a quantifier, the particle no is not necessary. Examples: Tanaka-san wa ichi jikan maine dikakimashita. Mr. Tanaka left an hour ago. Gobang nakanaka. When nakanaka is used with a negative expression, it means not easily or not as expected. Examples: Nihon de wa nakanaka uma umero koto ga dekimasen. In Japan, we can really rarely see horses. Note, the phrase wa in Nihonde wa is attached to emphasize the location or area under discussion. Rokkobang, zihi. Zihi is used with expressions of hope and request such as hushi desu. Verb must form tai desu and verb te form kudasai to emphasize the meaning of the expressions. For examples, Zehi Hokkaido e ikitai desu. I want to go to Hokkaido very much. Zehi asubi ni kite kudasai. Please come to my place. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub. And see you in the next lesson. Mata ne!